We made it.
I told you know how you said how you could be at the gorge?
Yeah.
I have two.
Figured. Here it is, guys, the gorge in upstate New York, Tug Hill. Crazy. Crazy. The 850 is just nuts. we're at right now 65, maybe 70 miles. And the thing is ridiculous. It stands right up. It's got so much power. I feel like it's endless power. Endless, I swear. It's gnarly. Can't wait. We got a couple hours left. We're gonna ride. Snow is not that great up north right now, so hopefully this week, next week, I should say, Saturday, hopefully we get tons and tons of snow. But the gorge is absolutely stunning. One of the best spots to come when you come up to Tug Hill. So, I mean, it is just straight drop off. It's like 100 feet drop off. Probably 300 altogether, maybe. Nah, it's gotta be part of that. It's like a football field or more. Here's another view, guys, of the gorge. It's crazy. Freaking nuts. Where were ya?
Way back here.
You want to try it again?
I'm not gonna get any.
I'll give you a head start. You go, I'll follow. Go. All right, guys, we made it back. First ride. Almost 100 miles today. The sled is amazing. Rips. I would say I have no complaints. I would say I have no complaints at all. The sled is just amazing. Amazing, amazing. I can't believe that the Polaris came out to do 850. I think it's faster than almost any other sled on the market right now, other than obviously the Sidewinder and Turbo. But otherwise it beats the 850 do, beats 800s like nothing. I mean, it's just insane. I did some, it stands right up, plain and simple. You get in some deep snow, lean back and pin it, it stands right up. So guys, if you like the video today, please subscribe, like the vid, like thumbs up the video, turn the bells on so you guys know when I'm posting next. I'm probably gonna be riding next weekend again. Hopefully we get more snow. So I'm looking to ride, hopefully we get like a couple feet and I'll be able to really put it into the test in deep snow. There wasn't that much snow today, only like a foot and a half in some places. So, but all right, stay tuned everyone. Peace out.